Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what I consider the best mobile food cart on the market right now, the COVAODQ snack cart. If you're looking for a versatile storage solution that's as functional as it is stylish, this might just be the perfect addition to your home. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about why the COVAODQ snack cart stands out. It features a robust design with a solid wood handle and four 360-degree movable wheels, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around your kitchen or any space you choose. The cart is crafted from high-quality, rust-proof metal with a sleek black-coated finish, ensuring durability and resistance to deformation over time. What I really appreciate about this cart is its detachable structure. Each tier can be adjusted to your preference with 4 optional card holes, allowing you to customize the spacing between shelves. This makes it perfect for storing a wide range of items from fruits and vegetables to snacks, craft supplies, and more. The mesh grid design not only adds to its modern look but also promotes air circulation and prevents dust buildup. Plus, it's easy to disassemble for cleaning or when you need to save space by stacking it away. The COVAODQ snack cart isn't just for the kitchen, it's a multi-purpose storage solution. Whether you need extra storage in the kitchen, bedroom, playroom, garage, or even office, this cart provides vertical storage space wherever you need it most. Assembling the cart is straightforward with all necessary tools and instructions included in the package. COVAODQ also offers excellent after-sales service, ensuring your satisfaction is guaranteed. To wrap it up, the COVAODQ snack cart with its adjustable shelves, durable materials, and easy mobility checks all the boxes for what you'd want in a mobile food cart. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, setting up a snack station, or simply looking for a stylish storage solution, this cart delivers. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. Let me know in the comments below if you've used a similar cart or if you have any questions about the COVAODQ snack cart. Until next time, happy organizing!